Hi programmers, as part of HackerRank SQL Solutions, we are going to discuss about the given problem. First, try to understand the problem before going to solve it. Okay. So what is the problem they have given? So query a list of city names from station table. Okay. So station is the table here. Okay. Query a list of city names for cities that have an even ID number. Okay. Even ID number. Print the results in any order but exclude the duplicates from the answer. Okay, we'll go by step. Okay, query a list of city names from station. This we already know. We have practiced in previous videos. Select city from station. Okay, next thing, that have even ID number. Even ID number. Okay, let's try to print as of now. Just try to print the ID. Just try to print the ID. Just run the code. Just we will see what are the ID cities available. Okay. Okay, these are the IDs. Okay, 794824603. Okay, these are the IDs. Okay, fine. But we need only city name from the station. If the city have an even ID numbers, so how to find even ID numbers? Okay, where ID percentage 2 equal to 0. See again. So what are the even numbers? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, right? So how are we going to decide it is even number or odd number? Okay. So if it is an even number, if you divide it by 2, suppose I'll keep it as 12 here. Okay. If we do by 2, so what is output you will get? Normally, okay, let me take the marker annotation here. Just wait. So this is my number. Okay. 12 is my number. I'm going to do divide by 2. 2 6 ja 12. Correct. Now, what is the remainder here? 0. What is the quotient value? So this is quotient value. This is the remainder. So this is very important in computer programming. Okay, just observe. So that's why we are going to use percentage symbol here, not slash or by. Okay, so this is how it will work. So whatever the number, you can use 2 with the percentage of ID. Okay, ID modulo. So we can call it as modulo also, or percentage. Okay, ID percentage 2 equal to 0. So that is even number. Suppose you want odd number, so you have to make it as 1. You have to make it as 1. So this is very important. Okay, let me clear this drawing. Okay, percentage by 2. Next, again, print the results in any order. but exclude the duplicates. Exclude the duplicates. So in order to print only unique values, we have a keyword called distinct. Distinct. See, select distinct city name from station where the ID percentage to equal to 0. Let's try to execute. See, the sample test case is passed. Okay, these are the results. So this is how you need to solve the problem, any problem. Okay, step by step, step by step. Let's try to submit the code. So it is success. Okay, it is success. We got a congrats message also. Good. That's about this problem. Okay. So again, query list of city names from station. That is the reason just we need to keep only city from station where ID percentage to equal to 0. We need only unique numbers, but they have mentioned as different way, but exclude the duplicates from answer. Exclude duplicates. So that is the reason we are using distinct over here. Yeah, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching this. Happy learning.